Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord 5 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find display and brightness. Then let's scroll and find eye comfort and sleep. And let me ignore this bedtime mode and focus on the eye protection, which is more or less the classic option. So let's turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and now we can choose between the smart and the custom option. The smart one is more or less automatic, and the custom is where we can manually change different sections. So let me focus on the custom, just tap on this, and as you can see here we've got this switcher thanks to which we can change the intensity of that feature. But by going to the left we can make it cooler, and by going to the right warmer. We can also schedule it. Just tap on it, tap on this switcher, and now we can freely choose the start and the end time, and your device will apply the mode accordingly. Here we've got also display effects, so we can display the color. Maybe let me turn off the schedule so I can show it to you. We can display the color, so obviously we will have the eye comfort mode applied and it will affect the colors a little bit, but they will still be visible. Or we can set black and white and everything will be displayed in the black and white manner. So it's up to you how you prefer to use it. And this is the whole customization of the eye comfort mode. If you wish, you can have much faster access to it. Simply unroll the top bar, and here we have to localize the eye comfort icon, which is right here in my case. So just tap on it to turn it on, and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.